Hey Dan, did you get the backpacks?
Spice Vagrant here. We are at Thonburi station getting ready to go to Kanchanaburi. Our train leaves at 7:50. We got here a little bit early and we're very surprised to see an enormous market that looks like a hell of a lot of fun. Can't wait to look at it. We get to Kanchanaburi in about 3 hours, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, and then hopefully we can rent some motorcycles. If not motorcycles, we'll take a shuttle bus or something to Sunken City, where we will see the Mon tribe. We will see the Sunken City, where they have flooded the dam that used to be the Mon tribe, and there's a man-made lake, and underneath which is the old city. We will also just be exploring around the kind of Burmese immigrant food and culture right there along the border. I've been to Mae Sot before, so I have a little bit of an idea of what to expect from Western Thailand, but going this far south is a totally new experience for me, and I just can't wait to see what we find. That's kind of the rundown, the synopsis so far. The trains look incredibly interesting. This is the old bridge over River Kwai and Hellfire Pass, as well as the Death Railway. So a lot of history through this area, a lot of bloodshed, a lot of culture, and I just can't wait to capture it all. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, oh, rose apples.
Are they sweet?
They're great. Yeah, we should get some for the trip. Persimmon. Persimmon, these are very underripe.
Yeah,
you know what that is?
Has these too. The stink bean?
Yes. Stink bean? Beautiful dragon fruit, that looks fake. Yeah, petite, or setol. Rice patty crab. That looks so fresh and good. Like soft shell crab. Preserved fish, shrimp. Look at those are crispy, clean. Super fresh.
What the fish is that?
I don't know. Oh yeah, beautiful.
Oh, look at this.
Curry paste. That's what this is. This is all curry paste. Smell. We are at the Thonburi station market, and we just got our breakfast for today. I absolutely love rose apples, so we picked up a rose apple as soon as I saw them. Half a kilo for 40 baht, a little over $1 US, not too bad. We got some oranges to get us ready for the long day ahead and get some vitamin C. This is pork and red curry with little Thai eggplants, and then some kind of sausage. It looks like Chinese sausage, like a lap chong or something, and some jasmine rice. Let's see how it is. Get a little bit of eggplant. Oh yeah. That's actually really freaking good. It is definitely red curry. It's not dry at all. It's like braised pork. reminds me of like my grandma's New Mexican food. It's heavy on chilies, but like some dried chilies, and it's kind of brothy too. So it's not like a normal curry. That's not coconut based or very rich or thick or anything like that. It's thin, spicy, aromatic, lots of kaffir lime leaf I'm tasting, and it's fucking fantastic. Now I will try the lapchang with a little bit of rice. Get a couple of those bites. That sausage looks very nicely blended fat ratio. That's breakfast. It's fatty and moist and very sweet. Yeah, that's incredible. I really like that. We really just lucked out by stumbling upon the Thonburi market. You walk through the fruit station, then the vegetables, and then the proteins, the meat, the seafood, all the preserved meats and things. And then lining the side is all the prepared foods, where you can sit and take a load off. And we've got about 10 minutes before our train leaves, so I'm gonna get to it. Neem is very Isan, northeastern neem. It's like a very bitter, it's great in salads. It's very interesting.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
Yes.
You wanna try it? Can I take a little pinch from you? One little pinch for her to taste. One little pinch. It's okay. No problem.
Get a taste. Taste. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just a tiny bit.
Thank
you.
Oh wow, that's bitter.
Well, just think of if you season it, you know, very heavily with chili and lime and lime leaf and
lots of lime juice.
Yeah.
But probably
palm sugar, shallot, garlic.
Yeah.
Snakehead fish.
Snakehead. They really look like snakes.
Yeah, and they jump out of the water onto the shore and
Nibble.
get full. They can get like this big. Snakehead fish is delicious. It's like catfish but more firm.
Nice.
It's very good for la paduk.
Nice. What about the little guys there?
I don't know. They deep fry them though.
They look like the guys that eat the stuff with your feet.
Yeah. We just got on the train at Thonburi station, headed to Kanchanaburi. It should take us about 3 hours and leave any minute now. So stay tuned. Jacob Polacco here, and you are watching Spice Bakery. We are in Kanchanaburi and tasting some of the treats here in Western Thailand. I have in front of me, let's see here, this is pat pet or duck lap. Very, very spicy and aromatic. I can see lots of kaffir lime leaf in it and even some peanut. And then over here is kind of a red curry with beef. It's like a dry red curry. I see bitter beans in there, which I love. And they're like little pea eggplants are also called. And like any super rich dish, it's kind of gamey already. Those bitter beans are like a perfumey note. Like I said, a perfumey note that like kind of round out a really rich gamey dish. So I'm excited. And then I've got these little tiny smelt fish, which are fried, and if it's already in my hand, let's try it first. Holy shit, those are crispy. They're really crispy, they're perfectly salty. Yeah, if I was pounding beers or something, I would just go through bowl after bowl after bowl of this. Those are awesome. Yeah. There is a chili vinegar sauce, fish sauce. I'm just gonna veg out on these for a second. Excuse me. Yeah, that's money. Salty, chili. Looks like maybe some kachai in there, or finger ginger. And then of course, all of the accoutrement, the cucumbers, long bean, and white turmeric. That's a new one. I love white turmeric, but usually you don't see it on the side like that. It's part of a composed salad. So I'm gonna dig in. I love pad pad. I've cooked pad pad. I've served pad pad. It's one of those things that, since duck is so gamey and irony, when you grind it up and cook it so far past medium like we think of in Western culture, it gives you the leeway to season it heavily, be very assertive with as many flavors as you want. And by looking at this, it's about half duck and half aromatics. Yeah. Tons of kaffir lime leaf. Oh man. Yeah. It's kind of dry, but super spicy, and it's not at all irony because there's so many chilies. Very spicy. Let's try the beef. I'm gonna get a little cucumber in there. Hopefully it'll cool me off. Whoa. Yeah. So it's already incredibly refreshing. There's so much lime in the eggplant, and the bitter bean and everything is already super refreshing on its own, which is surprising for a beef dish. But then when you get that cucumber in there, it's a really light balance to counterpoint this. It's still spicy, but there's so many crunchy, fresh ingredients in there, it really rounds out this, which is just super heavy and super rich. So that's what we got today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and click like, share, and subscribe.
So there it is. You can see how immediately after getting out of the railroad station in Kanchanaburi, we were able to walk straight across Highway 323 and be met with stall after stall of delicious Western Thai cuisine. If you enjoyed this travel tip and travel video, would like to continue to see how we do things, follow up every Friday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for more uploads. Big things happening under the Spice Vagrant umbrella, not only with Southeast Asian travel, cuisine, and culture, but beyond. We have a big trip planned coming up in South America, so be sure and tune in for that. As always, I'm Jacob Polacco, which means you are watching Spice Vagrant.